So she came in and presented an idea that we worked together to write a grant proposal to build a program to address STEM retention.
On top of that, we had a sort of common goal of supporting students. There are many students who come in interested in STEM majors, and many of them, as early as in the first year or after the first year, decide to not do a STEM major.
Our early analysis of the program, which I guess we did year 4 or year 5, the Scots Science Scholars, were staying at the college longer than the general population. Our African American students were graduating at really high rates. Our high financial needs students were graduating at high rates. And we have consistently had Scots Science Scholars staying longer than the general population at the college. So that's exciting. We think about that in terms of equity because that's really a foundation of this program. A goal of this program is we wanted to even the playing field.
The day that I realized that I wasn't going to be a pediatrician for my career and that I was going to do something that had to do with working outside and working with animals. And that was day 2. That was day 2 of the program. Like going out with her that night and flipping rocks looking for salamanders. Like, I'll never forget it.
Students needed a little bit more support in developing those study skills. So we built in something called STEM Success, and that's essentially a structured study time in the evenings. And they're required to spend 6 hours a week in a structured study center, but they have their friends there. They have tutors there.
It's not just a place where you come to get tutored. It's a place where you go and you work with others who are also working. So it's a very productive, collaborative space. One of the things we've talked about with this current cohort is how much they needed that interaction that they got. They got some really great experiences in the summer. Being in a creek together, pulling out little fish and looking at them was amazing. Riding down in the lock at Loudon, Fort Loudon Lake. And so they had these really great bonding experiences, and you're seeing these students who normally you would probably not see them interacting otherwise. Not only are they interacting, but they're like, this group is like a family.
Over the years, I think it has grown such that there is an identity here that's not just the division of, it's not just the chemists, it's not just the biologists, it's not just the mathematicians, but we have sort of a shared identity of STEM. And so I think that has grown out of what we've developed here.